make him hold it a little bit. This is Brewster. He's just turned 2 years old, and he's a standalone dog by himself. We've trained Rue for field trials, but he also hunts for pleasure as well. And he's a pretty good roundabout dog. He's fast. That's how you handle him. Whoa. Atta girl. Ooh, that's a healthy bird. Benji. Look.
Was this truck still in there?
Look.
Was that really?
Yeah. You missed that pretty point. Ah. Whoa now. Whoa, whoa.